Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kaman Rahman and today I'm gonna review my new project in on Kodular. So the name of this project is Radio App. So this is the second episode of Kodular review. Yeah, so what I told you before, so this now I make some radio app. Yeah, so don't take a long time. Let's get started. So first of all, I will explain you what the components that I used. Yeah, because the before episode or the first episode, I'm already told you the function of palette, components, viewer, until bar, and properties. And if you still don't know, or if you don't know what is that, you can watch my previous uh episode of Kodular. So here I use part view because this is like a frame or the container for all of these components. So first is card view, and I make this and I make the color of the card view is like a dark brown. Then here I use space, yeah, space for make a space between the top and mistakes, or we can say the radius in space again for make a space between Radiosura and the image of Sheikh al-Sudais. Alright, then here there is the name of what we play. So we play Surah Al-Kahf from first until 110 first. Then this is the reader or the sheikh that read this surah. And I make then I add some space again to make a space between the name of the surah to the button. So here is the button that we will control it. Will control this the sound of the surah here. So here is there's the previous button, and there is a pause button, which is the play button, and this is the next button. Alright. So if I want to play the surah, we can click this, and then if I want to stop it, we can click this, and if I want to previous it, we can click this, and if you want to next it, we can click this. So yeah, simply I made some application in Kodular that can what we can say like can yeah, you can use it for radio. So if you want to uh hear a song, or if you want to hear a surah, morotal, or anything else, you can make this load. So all right. So next, this is there's a new lesson. So the new lesson is blocks here. As you can see here on the right side, beside designer, there's text. The name is blocks. So if you click it, oh, then there is a different viewer than a designer section. Section. Yeah. So here, what is the blocks function? So blocks function is for make some, you can say like the ordering, like for example, if we want to make this button like play button and pause button that works, so we can click this for pause it, and we can click this for play it. We can control it from this or from blocks. So here, the first thing first, when image play click. So what is image play? Here, this is the image play. I already rename it. Then there's set player one source to. This is the link of the radio that we will listen to it. Then call player one start, and call notifier show alert notice. So the notifier is like the notification that will show when you play the surah, there will be the text that is radio is playing. The next is when image pause click. So what is image pause? Here is image pause here. So if I click this, it will do call player one to pause it, then call notifier or the notification to show alert notice radio is top. Alright, like usual, I want to review it on my phone. So don't take a long time. Let's review it on my phone. Alright guys, so next I'm gonna test it on my phone. First, like usual, you need to download the Kodular companion application app, then open it. Then in here, you can click this. In the toolbar, there is task, then connect to companion. Alright, so there's a code and there's a QR code in here. As you can see, there is two choices. First is scan QR code, and the second is using a code. And it's up to you. You want to use QR code or code. But now I'm gonna use code. So here's your WYALNW. Alright. So next, you just need to click this icon here. Yeah, click. Wait, I'm sorry. Click it and just wait until there's some notification. But if it can, you can try it again. This, wait, you can cancel it. Then you can enter again the application. Then task using same way before. Here there's MVO. Um, then click it. So there's some notification. Alright, now I'm already connected to the application. Now, if you want to, like I told you before, if you want to play some the surah, you can click here. Yeah, the image play. Alright, now I will click it. Here. Alright, I'm already click it. I'll just wait until there's some sound of surah. And there's the notification here. Wait, there's I can hear it. Alright, now if you want to stop it, just click this button. Now there's a notification radio is stopped. Alright, so that's all from me for the radio app review in on Kodular, and I'm sorry if I have many mistakes in my words. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.